My name is Saundarya Rathore. I am All India rank second for the IPTSC exam, and I am a fourth year law student from Christ Deemed to be University, Bangalore. My elementary education about intellectual property started in my school itself. We were taught about the basics and the various types of intellectual property about WIPO and GATT in 11th, 12th standard economics. And I studied a little more by myself for CLAT and other law entrance exams. But I would say that I started learning about IP rights and management properly in my third year of college. And I instantly got fascinated by it. And fortunately, I have the most amazing professors who are constantly helping me in college. So I'm actually planning a full-fledged career in intellectual property laws and management for my future. Intellectual property is such a valuable asset right now in these modern times, and I think every future entrepreneur or lawyer should have a comprehensive knowledge of it. So I'm equally interested in information technology laws and media technology laws. And both these fields also require a deep understanding of intellectual property rights. Right now, in my academic life and internships, I'm trying to fully focus on these subjects, especially. And there is a lot of potential in these fields, and that's why I think IP knowledge will prove to be highly beneficial for me. I saw the announcement for this exam on Loctopus. It's a platform for all law students. And I instantly realized that this is an amazing opportunity for a law student like me. When I was reading about this exam, I understood that this would be a great step towards my goal. This exam and even the preparation of the exam would certainly give me an edge over my other peers. And that's why I mainly chose to take the IP exam. So it was a very unique experience for me personally, because this was the first Olympiad type exam I took online sitting at home. And while I was giving the exam, I was actually COVID positive. So the settings around me were different than usual, and compared to other exams or other Olympiads and competitive exams I have given, there was still the feeling and the slight pressure of giving an exam. The exam itself went very smoothly. There were no technical issues, and it just went very smoothly. And I applaud the organization for it. There were some tricky questions, and I was honestly having fun while trying to answer them. The questions were a mix of objective and case study type. So it was a mix of competitive exams that I've already given with the type of questions that I get in my college exams. So the difficulty level was also balanced, and I really enjoyed giving the exam. Though I did not expect to secure a national rank, but I knew that I had given my best, and I hoped for the best possible results too. I am a fourth year law student, and I have already learned this in my college education. So I already had the prior knowledge of all IP laws in India. And owing to my own personal interest and the research papers that I write usually and the internships that I have done, I had done my extra reading on certain recent developments too. The course material provided by IPTSC team also provided a structure for the syllabus, and it was an easy way to learn about the economic aspect of intellectual property. Apart from this preparation, I think time management was very crucial for me while giving the exam. Reading the questions properly, and at the same time keeping in mind that I had only a minute at most for each question was a task, but I think that approach helped me crack the exam better. Also, just putting your best foot forward when you know that this is a national level exam, while realizing that, and just applying a basic common sense about management and IP rights in general will help you. Not getting under pressure and then realizing that it was a pretty simple question, and then realizing that you just complicate it in your head will also give you clarity while giving the exam. I would totally recommend this exam to all my friends and peers, and I would urge them to take the Talent Search exam. It's a really great opportunity to develop a practical understanding of intellectual property in a professional domain while in your competitive exam setting. So the exam tests all our IP skills, and I think it encourages every student to explore more in this vast field of intellectual property. And I think it will help other students get clarity and enhance their interest in their field even more, like it did for me.